good evening everyone. So this is my topic again. So the product rule. So the derivative of a product of function is not the product of the derivative. So if f and g are both differentiable, then so d over dx bracket f quantity x times g quantity x, so is equals f quantity x times g quantity x plus g quantity x times f quantity x. So in other words, the derivative of product of two functions is the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. So gets ninyo? So the first function times the derivative of the second function, kibali, plus the second function times the derivative of the first function, kibali, nagbaliktad lang sila. So another way to write the rule, so d over dx quantity u times v is equals u times v plus v times u. So example na to, so kita na itong example. So differentiate the function. So if quantity x is equals 3x quantity x 3x squared minus 1 quantity 7 plus 2x cube. So tanaw na to ang process, no? So f quantity x is equals d over dx bracket quantity 3x squared minus 1. So kay bali mo na siya ang u. Then quantity 7 plus 2x cube is mo na tong v. So is equals 3x squared minus 1 d over dx, bali derivatives na siya. So quantity 7 plus 2x cube plus kibali 7 plus 2x cube, then d over dx quantity 3x squared minus 1. So giswap sila is kay ang mo man pasabot diri sa iyang kuan, di ba? In other words, the derivative of a product of two functions is the first function kibali times the derivative of the second function plus second function times the derivative of the first function. So kibali giswap. So ang product rule is equals 3x squared minus 1. So sulod na kibali ning d over dx plus plus, so sulod na po ning d over dx diri 2x cube plus quantity, so copy ra nato ning 7 plus 2x cube, then diri na po sulod na po ning d over dx 3x squared minus copy gyapon ning d over dx and 1. So ang sum and difference rule is 3x squared minus quantity 0 plus 6x squared plus quantity 7 plus 2x cube, then quantity 6x minus 0. So ang rule na to is equals 18x raised to the 4 minus 6x squared plus 42x plus 12x raised to the 4. So nganong na 42x man ni siya, so kibali gi-multiply gi-times nato ang 7 times x is equals 7 times 6x is equals mo na siyang 42x na siya. Then mo nang na 12x raised to 4 na siya is gi-kuha na to is 2 is 4 times 3 na to siya ay 2 times 2 mo na siya. So mo nang na 18 na siya is 3x squared times 6x squared, mo na siyang na 18 kay 3 times 6 is equals 18, then i-add man na inyong exponent, mo nang na 4. So that's right, di ba? Then negative x kay 0 mo na siya, so mo nang 2 times 6 mo na 12x raised to 4 na siya. So ato na siyang ikuha na, ato na i-simplify. So, pag simplify na is 30x raised to 4 minus 6x plus 42 ang atong makuan kay i-add nato ning 18 plus 12. So, 16 ay 18 plus 12 is equals 30. X, copy ra ning iyang variable ug iyang exponent. So, minus x 6x squared then plus 42x. Copy ra na siya. So, that's all. Thank you.